Hey guys, I am doing a video review. This is my very first video review. Today we're gonna be reviewing Deadpool, from the X-Force. You can see the X-Men logo right there. And he is a Marvel's Build-A-Figure, and once I get all the guys, all these heroes from Marvel Legends, I will be building Build-A-Figure, and again, this is my very first video, so please give a comment or a thumbs up if you like it. And once I get more videos, you can subscribe. So enjoy. And you can see he's holding this big old blaster. I don't know if it's like a freeze gun or something. It looks like a part freeze gun or something. I say it's cool. Some people reviewed this toy before and they didn't really like it, but I kind of like it. Here. Alright, so here's the gun. Sorry if the video's a little blurry. It does that sometimes. So he's got these like little things here. Like these little squiggly lines. They go up and down. Looks like something from Aliens and Predators. And he's got the trigger. I don't know what that thing is right there, but yeah. I don't know what that thing is right there. It looks like a magazine or something. Yeah. I don't know. But so you got the stock right there. I wish they made it where it could go in and out, but not everybody does that. So yeah, I wish it came with a muzzle though. So there's the tip of the barrel. See that little hole? It looks like an air conditioner. Can you see that? The blue tip of the arrow looks like an air conditioner. Huh. So, moving on. Here's Deadpool. He's got like this squinted eye, one eye open, like that. And he's got this little gun right here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ooh.